Hello, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to create and process a supplier and customer order in Dolibarr. To start, we click in Products Services. On the Products, we click in List. Here we can check the full list of our products. As you can see, the external battery pack product has a yellow warning that shows us that the stock is below our stock alert. That means we should buy this product from our suppliers. For that, we click on Commercial. Click on Suppliers Orders, New Order. Here we have to choose the supplier, the reference for the supplier, the payment type, we choose bank transfer, and click on Create Draft. Now you have to choose the product we want to buy from the supplier and the quantity amount. Click on Add. Now we can see here the total amount we have to pay for it. Here we can see the PDF file that shows us the supplier order with the information from the supplier and from our company. Here is a description of the products, the quantity, and the total amount to pay. We have to validate. Yes, confirm the validation. Here we have to accept the order. We have to choose the order method by phone and click on Make Order. Confirm it. The delivery, we have to choose Total. Click on Receive. Okay. Now we can create the invoice. To choose the supplier's reference, invoice date, payment due before, we choose the right now data, payment type and term, and click on Create Draft. You can see here the bill that we have to pay. Click on Validate. To choose our warehouse we created, it's called Amazon. Now we can make the payment. We have to type the right amount we need to pay for the order. Click on Save. Validate. Okay, now we have already paid for the order. We click on Home. Here we can see the transactions we need to reconcile. We click on Reconcile. Okay, now we can check if the stock is already updated. We go to products list, and as you can see, we bought 30 products, 30 external battery pack, and it's already raised from 10 to 40. By that we can see that the order is already on our warehouse. In this part we're going to show you how to create and process an order to client. For that we go to Commercial tab, click on Customers Orders, New Order, choose the customer you want to sell the product, customer reference, the date, payment term, payment type, bank transfer, click on Create Draft. Okay, now we have to choose the product we want to sell, external battery pack, and the quantity amount. Click on Add. Here we can see the PDF file that shows the order with the respective products, the quantity, and the total amount of the money the client has to pay. Click on Validate. Yes. Okay, now you need to create the invoice. For that, click on Create Invoice. Standard invoice, date now. Do you want to see payment type, bank transfer? Click on Create Draft. Validate. Yes. As you can see here, it shows us the bill and the reminder to pay. We can see here the invoice already done in the PDF file. Now you have to do the payment. Click on the payment, choose the date, type the reminder to take, click on pay, validate. Okay, now we have to click on Home tab. You still see that there's a number here, still a one process for the customer order. Click on it. You still need to do the shipment of the product to the client. Click on Ship Product, choose the warehouse, click on New Shipment, click on Create, and validate. Okay, now the shipment is already done. Click on the Home tab, click on the customer order to process again. Still need to make the invoice for the client. Click on point of sale. Here we have to choose the product we sold, the quantity amount 20, and click on Add this article. Now click on payment type, credit card, validate invoice, and click on show invoice. As you can see, here is the PDF file with the invoice for the client that shows that the client already paid the total amount of the order. Now we still need to go to the Home tab and make the transactions. Click on Reconcile. And reconcile. Now click on the Home tab again. We still need to close the process, so click on the order, click on Classify Delivered, yes, and Classify Build. As you can see, there's no more customers orders to process.